Welcome to the Cinefilm Tachyon Managing Your Workflow Template tutorial for the Tachyon Standards Transcoder. So we went over how to do a transcode profile, how to do a distribution profile. We need to now go over how do you put these two things together so you can actually get a file through a transcode and then distribute it where it needs to go. So we basically are going to link these two things together through what we call a workflow template. So down here I'm going to click on this thing where it says Manage Your Workflow Templates. And then a screen's going to come up which is going to have the name of the template that we created for, that was auto-created whenever we did our first transcode profile. Because if you remember, a transcode profile creates a transcode profile group, and a workflow template, all the same name. Okay, so I'm going to click on, select this one, then I'm going to click on the little edit pencil so we can get in and take a look at it. I'm not going to worry about the prepare module right now. We're not doing a prepare step. That will be in a later tutorial. So we're going to focus right now on transcode and distribute. If you notice on the transcode, it's green all the way across. That means it's ready to go. And it has the name of the transcoding profile that has been assigned to this workflow template called 1080p 23976 ProRes HQ. Which was the name that I gave it. Okay, so this is ready to go, but the distribute is not. So we're going to go and we're going to click on the word distribute. And when you click on that, all of your profile groups that you have created are going to become visible. Now, we want to go ahead and use the kitchen sink distribution profile group because we want this thing to both do a go to the client as well as to the quality control group. At this point, I could also change this and say, you know what, I just want it to go to quality. So as soon as I click on quality's radial button, you'll notice that it changes just to the quality. Or I could say, no, I want this to go to the client. So let's click on that and click on the client radial button. Lo and behold, we have the check mark next to the client A. Don't pay attention to the color that happens to be highlighted. Just look for the check boxes. That's the most important thing. But again, we said we want to do the kitchen sink. We want to do both. So let's select that radial button. And let's go ahead and force in these two. And now we're done. So if you notice, the distribute turned purple, and it also says kitchen sink. So let's close that up. Click on distribute again. And now this is a very, very important step. A lot of times people forget about it. Hit the save button. So click on this thing right up here, and as soon as we do that, we are now done with the workflow template. That's it. It's that simple. You create the transcoding profile, you create the distribution profile, and then you link them together in the workflow template. We'll see you on the next tutorial, which is going to be created an ingest watch folder. Thanks a lot.